Hello and welcome to this technical analysis video here at EURJPY.com. I'm Milan Delta's investment analyst, and we are going to look at Euro versus the Japanese yen in the daily time frame. Zooming into the chart now, the price is revisiting the descending trend line, which has been standing since January 16th despite the upside break at the end of March. The positive bias in the near term is supported by the deterioration in the momentum indicators. The percentage K line of the stochastic oscillator has risen sharply near overbought levels after it posted a bullish cross with the percentage D lines. Also, the RSI is flattening above the 50 level, while the MACD oscillator jumped above its trigger line in the negative territory. In case of a successful jump, the price could rest near the 38.2% FIBO of the downturn from 122.90 to 114.40 at 117.63 and the 117.75 barrier. More advances could drive the market at the 50% FIBO of 118.63, while steeper increases could flirt with the 119 handle and the 100-day SMA. On the other hand, a retreat could find immediate support at the 23.6% FIBO at 116.40 and the 20-day SMA currently at 116.10. Below that, the 115.30 and the 114.40 are coming next, taken from the latest troughs in the near term. To sum up, Euro-Yen seems to be bearish. However, any upside violation of the downtrend line may change this outlook to neutral to bullish. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.